Welcome to this video on how to use DJI Pilot to plan an oblique mission. Launch DJI Pilot and start to plan a mission by selecting Mission Flight. A new flight route can be created by importing a KML file or planning it on the app. This video uses the app method. Tap Create a Route and select Oblique. Tap on the area to be mapped. Name the mission. Select the currently used focal length for the camera, and the app will automatically generate the target area and 5 oblique flight routes. Drag the edge waypoints to adjust the size of the target area. Set the gimbal angle based on the desired tilt. Select the altitude relative to the takeoff point, and set it based on the desired GSD. Set the altitude of the target surface relative to the takeoff point to 0 meters. Set the takeoff speed and route speed. Set your aircraft to automatically return to home upon completion. Tap Advanced Settings and set the side overlap ratio, the forward overlap ratio, and the course angle. In Payload Settings, the focus mode is set to First Waypoint Autofocus by default. Disable dewarping. After the settings are completed, tap Save. Tap on the FPV view of the camera and start to configure the camera. In Camera Settings, make sure that the camera mode is set to M and the ISO is set to Auto, and set the shutter speed and aperture as needed. Set the EV value to 0. Tap on the map, and tap to prepare for the mission. On the Preflight Preparation screen, check whether items such as the action upon completion, the fail-safe behavior, and the battery level of the aircraft are correct. Check to ensure that the surroundings are safe before takeoff. During the flight, please pay close attention to the status of the aircraft displayed on the app to ensure safety. Thank you for watching.